Postmodernism and Popular Culture by Angela McRobbie. Angela McRobbie is a British cultural theorist and feminist scholar associated with the Birmingham Centre for Contemporary Cultural Studies. Her essay, Postmodernism and Popular Culture, explores how postmodern theory can help us understand popular culture, especially in relation to youth, fashion, music, and media. Her book, which is a collection of 11 essays, was published in 1994. She engages with thinkers like Frederick Jameson, Jean-François Lyotard, and Jean Baudrillard, while also offering a feminist critique. McRobbie argues that postmodernism changes how we view popular culture. It blurs the boundary between high and low art and challenges traditional notions of culture, identity, and meaning. She suggests that popular culture in the postmodern era, for example, magazines, pop music, TV, advertising, etc., reflects fragmentation, irony, self-reference, and pluralism, making it a crucial site for studying how identities, especially gender, are formed. Now let's see the key themes and ideas. First one, postmodernism and the breakdown of cultural hierarchies. In modernism, there was a clear division between high culture, art, literature, opera, and mass or popular culture, TV, fashion, pop music. While postmodernism erases this division, popular culture becomes a legitimate and rich site for study. McRobbie sees this as an opportunity to take seriously the everyday cultural expressions of young people, women, and marginalized groups. Next theme is representation and identity. Postmodernism brings fluidity and multiplicity to identity, especially gender identity. McRobbie notes how fashion, magazines, and pop music allow women to experiment with self-image and identity. She argues that feminist analysis should not reject these forms of trivial but should analyze how they reflect changing gender politics. The next theme is the role of the media. The media, especially television and advertising, are central to postmodern culture. They recycle and remix styles, create hyperreal images, for example, Baudrillard's idea, and blur the line between reality and representation. McRobbie points out that young people are highly aware of this. They consume culture ironically, not naively. The next theme is the feminist dimension. Traditional Marxist or modernist critics saw popular culture as a commercial, shallow, or manipulative. McRobbie, however, sees it as a space of pleasure and resistance, especially for women. For example, magazines like Jackie, which McRobbie studied earlier, teach girls about romance and femininity, but also offer a space for imagination, play, and identity negotiation. Fashion and pop music become sites where young women can express agency, even within commercial constraints. And the next theme is postmodernism and the fragmented subject. In postmodern culture, the individual is no longer seen as a coherent, unified subject, but as fragmented and constructed through cultural images and discourses. This resonates with feminist ideas about the social construction of gender. Next is McRobbie's critique of postmodernism. While McRobbie acknowledges postmodernism's potential, she is not uncritical. She warns that celebrating surface, style, and irony can lead to political complacency, ignoring issues like class, race, and inequality. She argues for a feminist postmodernism, one that recognizes the pleasures and freedom of postmodern culture without abandoning social critique.